Hello, Mr. Bowyer here, wanting to show you how to use the green/blue screen elements of iMovie for the iMovie task in which you're currently working on. To place yourself in any location around the world, you're going to need a green or a blue backdrop. It may be a blue pin-up board, like this one behind me, or a green or a blue sheet that you may have at home. Just make sure you're not wearing the same colour as the backdrop. You're also going to need your MacBook Air, and for this example in class, we're going to need a desk and a chair to film with. But first, let me show you how to capture footage on iMovie ready to film with a blue background. Okay, so we are now in iMovie ready to film our footage. You may already have some footage from your project set up and it would be in this space here. You may already edited some stuff sitting in your timeline down here. However, to film footage, click on Import, and then it will give you the option to bring it in from somewhere else, or we're going to use the FaceTime HD camera. There you go. You can now see me in the classroom. Okay, now that you have your computer all set up, ready to go, let's just have a look at the space in which you're using and how you can use the classroom elements. Okay, of course we've got our pin-up board, which is clear of items and it has a space which is going to cover the person all around with blue behind them. I'm then going to move a desk, okay, into that space in front of that, and I'm going to place a chair on top of that desk in line where the center of the clear space is. I'm then going to place my computer on top of that desk, lining it up as you can see, so it has the majority filled with blue. Alright, then I'm going to test the space where I can get in front of it, okay, lining up, and we're all ready to go to film. Make sure that once we have finished filming, we do put our computer away safely and return the desk and the chair to the location we find it. Okay, we are now in iMovie and we have two lots of footage in our Vision library, our iMovie library. Right, we have the vision of me talking to the blue talking with the blue screen, and we have the vision of which you want to put behind it. In this case, I want to put myself on this lovely beach. Okay, so firstly, I place the vision in which I want to have in the background on the timeline. Okay, so I have the vision of the beach now placed on the timeline. I'm then going to lower any audio in which that it is on there. In this case, there is none. Okay, I then go back to my blue screen and find the section of vision in which I want to use and cut that out. And today, and there's the start of it. Click and drag to the end of it, and then drag and place that on top of the other footage. We're then going to just crop the background image in behind. Then, once I'm selected on the top, remember we're going to change this from cutaway to green screen. So we must have the background below and the blue screen on top, and then we must have this function which is called the video overlay settings turned on. The default is cutaway. We're changing it to blue/green screen, and it automatically does it for you. You can do a little bit of cleaning up if necessary, and cropping. And in this case, we do need to crop in the sides like so. And I will just try and clean the background up a little bit there. So we can see that I am now placed on the beach. The beach remained open today as many There we go. So I can then use that in the timeline as my green screen element. And there you go. how to use the green/blue screen element in iMovie.